Walk onto a traditional manufacturing floor, and you will find a highly chaotic environment. Operations rely heavily on physical paper, and the machines run in isolated silos, creating massive operational blind spots. When a customer places an order, the exact details of that request disappear into the noise the moment they hit the production line. There is no line of sight, and product traceability drops to zero. The M0N0 Smart Factory framework solves this by establishing a completely paperless, fully connected digital thread that tracks every movement with absolute precision. Dr. Mohammed Mahmoud Naruddin engineered this architecture from the ground up. He does not rely on off-the-shelf software wrappers. He actively codes the device communications, writes the middleware, and builds the database structures that bridge the physical and digital worlds. A polished dashboard is useless if the underlying data is flawed. This structural stack shows how the architecture demands a flawless connection, starting at level 0 with raw physical equipment, pushing upward through the supervisory control layers, and finally reaching the enterprise business systems. That digital thread starts running the exact moment a sales order is created in the enterprise layer. Because the data originates digitally, human data entry errors are entirely eliminated. The parameters of that specific order automatically dictate the engineering requirements. The system instantly generates the bill of materials, sets the machine routing pathways, and locks in the precise cable design. This engineering data flows directly into the material requirements and advanced planning systems. The software runs capacity simulations and outputs a highly optimized minute-by-minute production schedule. Once that schedule is set, it triggers the procurement systems. Inbound raw materials are timed to arrive exactly when the machines are ready to process them. Looking at this sequence, you can see how the digital blueprint is completely locked in. The data flows sequentially from the customer order, through engineering and planning, and into inbound logistics, long before a single piece of factory machinery is powered on. Now the physical work begins. We start with wire drawing and annealing. Heavy copper and aluminum rods are pulled through a series of high-tension dies to rapidly elongate and thin out the metal. Next is the stranding process. Those thinned individual wires are precisely twisted and bundled layer by layer to form the heavy conductor core. Then we reach the massive extrusion lines. Low-voltage cables receive a single layer of insulation, while medium and high-voltage conductors move through towering triple extrusion systems that apply 3 critical polymer layers simultaneously. Those high-voltage cables require intense thermal processing. They pass through cross-linking and degassing chambers, carefully heating and curing the insulation to bake out any volatile chemical byproducts. Finally, the cables pass through metallic screening, assembly, heavy steel armoring, and the outer protective sheath. They undergo strict electrical testing and are wound onto large industrial drums. Every individual microstep of that heavy industrial sequence generates thousands of raw physical data points every single second. The voltages, temperatures, and motor speeds recorded by the physical meters and PLCs are captured in real time by custom SCADA and historian layers. Those signals are pushed directly into the industrial IoT and enterprise resource systems to calculate live predictive maintenance schedules and monitor factory-wide energy consumption. Inside a heavily guarded operational technology network, artificial intelligence and machine learning models constantly scan this data stream to score potential anomalies. This flowchart illustrates the strict human-in-the-loop philosophy. When the AI detects a deviation and throws an alert, it cannot act alone. It pauses at a checkpoint where a human engineer reviews the score and executes the final, verified operational decision. By using predicted exceptions, operators stop reacting blindly to unexpected equipment failures and instead drive calculated, verified actions. With the physical cable complete, the finished drum rolls off the production line and is logged directly into the Smart Warehouse Management System. The Transport Management System handles the dispatch, maintaining constant visibility and tracking the heavy freight delivery across every mile of its journey. The logistics sequence officially concludes the exact second the customer signs the electronic proof of delivery. Because the digital thread remained unbroken from the initial sales order, the customer receives the physical cable alongside an identical digital twin, a flawless, fully traceable record of its entire manufacturing history. For Dr. Nuruddin, this ecosystem produces 2 distinct outputs: heavy industrial cables, and validated academic knowledge. This diagram maps the process. Real factory anomalies are extracted as trusted data, forming the basis for published academic research, like M0N0 SEDATHI and M0N0 1107. Following the loop back around, insights from this research, like M0N0 VAVI, feed directly back into the factory ecosystem to improve industrial solutions. True industrial digital transformation requires connecting the lowest physical voltage signal to the highest level of human intelligence. Powerful final sign-off tone. From signals to intelligence. Measure to manage. Manage to maximize.